This is what I've managed to do for 5 minutes. I think
Okay, rate us. Rate me.
Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is my first collaboration video with Voclamb. So we're doing 5 minutes makeup challenge.
Hi, welcome back to my channel today. How are you doing? I hope you're doing great. And guess what? I am collaborating with my Kenyan queen, Zippy Brown, and we are going to challenge together, and you guys have to be our judge. Okay? You have to tell us who won. As soon as it goes off, that will be the end.
I'm going to set the time to 5 minutes. So, and start.
They want some a disco. Why we bring them calypso? The kind of sound that make that body go harder. The girl and the corner feeling naughty, just pop that Bacardi. Me a the coca man, feeling like that Jagaban. Me a bad chap guy, make a be a kind of person, girl, no need for familiar. Get your groove and a snap at your booty. Don't the music up, make you go low. If you feel it, don't be calling me. What you waiting for? I know you didn't come alone. To get on the dancing floor, yeah. When I come through, it's a shutdown. When I come through, it's a shutdown. When I come through, yeah. Girl, don't call me your lover. Just me wanna be your lover. Now we can do it on the sofa, yeah. Me, I don't go leave you lonely, yeah. Yeah, your body, yeah. Yeah, your body, yeah. It's calling me. It's calling out to Baba. Get your groove and a stop at your mood. Don't the music up, make you go low. If you feel it, don't be calling me. Get your groove and a stop at your mood. Don't the music up, make you go low. If you feel it, don't be calling me. Me as a girl, back that thing up to me. Closer, oh, closer, closer. And you give it to me now. Closer, bring that back up on me now. Closer, like say you are Tina. Closer, bring it back arena. Get your groove and a stop at your booty. Don't the music up, make you go low. If you feel it, don't be calling me. Mr. DJ, ask you what na 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 na. Me a cool boy Rasta. Hey, I'm a cool boy Rasta. Way man, this one is from the business.
One minute remaining though. What have I done? This is my brows. You guys. Let me highlight a little. Highlight. Just a little.
have managed to do for 5 minutes. I think I tried. So guys, as you can see, I was able to do the eyebrows and the lippy, but eye pencil, eyelashes, no. Everything else I tried to do. Oh, and the setting spray. So I didn't set the makeup. Everything else I tried my best. What do you think, guys? Let me know if I nailed the 5 minute challenge or I did not. So this was a collaboration video with Voclamb. I'm going to put her details on the description box so that you can check her out. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. And thank you so much guys for watching. Let me know if you want to see more challenges like this. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.